My sister in the background taking a video. And today we're going to be doing a Nerf war. We got our Nerf guns right here, fully loaded. And I think we're ready to go. Tell me in the description or leave a comment of who you think is going to win. Pause the video and tell me who you think is going to win. Did you pause it?
No.
Yes, you did. Oh, I thought she paused it. Because she looked like she paused it, so I was like, did you pause it? So, let's go outside since there's more space and not a lot of space in here. Let's get started with this Nerf war. Where do you want your base to be? My base is going to be right here. So my cousin's base is going to be over there. And my base is going to be right here. So let's get started. 3, 2, 1, begin. If you get shot, you have to go back to your home base. Now I'm fully loaded. He's at his base. He's gonna go to his base, and I get to stay out here because I killed him. Yeah! Oh yeah, you can't shoot the person while you're in the I went in. So go back over there.
I think one of the bullets went down the drain.
No, it's right here. I'm hoping my cousin some bullets because he shot me, so now it's a tie, 1-1. I have to go back to my base and he gets to stay.
Nine, 10, 11, 12,
Why are you counting?
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
Stop counting.
1, 21, 22, 23.
I said stop. Let's go. No. No. Ah.
A butterfly, guys.
So I'm winning 2-1. Beautiful. You did not waste any of your ammo. I know. And I shot you. I got you on my 3rd bullet. So he's at his base, and I'm still free. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Wait, not yet. Yep, he's turning. He has on his blinker. Go.
So trust us.
Damn. No. Got you.
No.
Oh.
No! No!
Doesn't matter, I have extras. Huh. Here, I have a double layer. There you go. So he got me on one shot, one kill. So it's a tie.
Say what's up, Tristan.
What that? 3, 2, 1.
Let it rip.
No, I was focused on the car. Oh. Here's your bullet. Did you only waste one? Two. I got you though. So, that point doesn't count, but he got me. There's so many cars passing. We're nervous that they're gonna turn. So, whenever we see, every time we see a car like have their blinkers on, we'll step to the side. So it's still at a tie, 2-2, right? Yep.
Tired.
Go! You shoot! You shoot! Oh, he ducked! Oh no! Oh! I got him too! Nice did it! Ah! He tried to stop to pick up ammo, so I got him.
You should have never did that, Tristan.
I know. Should have never tried to pick up ammo. Go! Wait. I'm still collecting bullets.
Shoot that all the way at the tree.
No!
Shoot the sky. What?
Do y'all see it?
Oh, it capped! It capped!
Show him! Show it! Let's go! What?
It
capped! I shot it all the way down there and it came down and capped. I'll try that. Oh, capped it. Let's see who can shoot the highest. We're in the middle of a game. I'm still missing a bullet. You gave me one, remember?
Are y'all done yet?
No. You can't tell me whenever we're done. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. I changed my base to right here by the stop.
You can block yourself?
Oh, snap. Car. Why does my gun's gonna jam? Oh my God. That was your last bullet, young man. I'm almost out. So it's a tie, 3-3.
I'm tired.
What? Another bullet went in the sewer? No. You tied it up again.
I'm tired.
We don't care, Brianna. We're doing this for my videos. Time out. Not ready. I'm not ready either. I'm gonna change mine to here. So you can just shoot straight in his face.
We're trying to find 3 bullets. I found one. One's in these grass.
There's one over there. In that grass.
We're trying to look for... It capped anyways.
Go! My bullet capped. Here. Why'd you pick it up? I wanted to see it. I did see it. Okay. So guys, I think we're gonna end the video right here. It was kind of a tie because we're both so great at this Call of Duty thing. So, see ya. Bye. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And anything. Hate comment, love comment, a nice comment. I don't care. Bye.